word problems, if x to the 4th is equal to y, what is x to the 20th equal to? To get from x to the 4th to x to the 20th, you just multiply 4 times 5. And we multiply exponents when we have an exponent and another exponent right outside. 4 times 5 is 20. That's how I get x to the 20th. So if this inner term right here is equal to y, then I can also take y and take it to the 5th power and also get x to the 20th. The answer is y to the 5th power. Now for area problems, when you're given two dimensions in a rectangle, length and width, just multiply length times width to get area. Area equals length times width. I could just do 8 for the length, and the width says it is 3x minus 5. And when I multiply that, it's just distributing. Okay. 13, area of a rectangle. Length is 4x squared. Width is x plus 6. More distributing. Just follow the rules with exponents. 4x squared times x, 4x cubed, because I add 2 and 1. And then 6 times 4 is 24. And I don't forget the x to the 2nd power. Now for perimeter, you just add up 2L plus 2W, and I just substitute what I know L and W are, what the problem tells me. L is 25x to the 4th y to the 8th, and W is negative x to the 4th y to the 2nd. But that parentheses there means I take negative x and I take it to the 4th power. Once I do that, it's really negative x times negative x times negative x times negative x. And if you keep track of all the negatives, they will cancel out and give you a positive answer. Positive x to the 4th. That's why over here I'm going to change my negative to a positive. Now, to do this, I just take this inner term right here and I double it. That's what multiplying by 2 is, doubling. 50x to the 4th y to the 8th plus, same thing over here, whatever this term is, I double it, but since there's no number there, I just put 2 in front. 2x to the 4th y to the 2nd power. Now in the next example, they give the perimeter and they give two sides and give you a missing side. Go ahead and evaluate this side first. Distribute 2x times x, 2x squared, plus 2x times 5, 10x. Then bottom one, distribute 3x minus 3. Now what I'm going to do is take this perimeter and subtract 2 of the known sides. Minus 2x squared plus 10. We'll just go ahead and put that in parentheses, so I know to distribute the negative. And same thing with the other term, minus 3x minus 3. Now, when I take negative 2x from 5x squared, or this is negative 2x squared, I take that from 5x squared, that leaves me with a total of 3x squared remaining. And then now the 3x, I take that from 17x. 17 minus 3 is 14. I have 14x. And then I take away negative 10. And over here, since this is a negative and there's a negative outside, this really becomes positive 3. If I keep track, let's just do the number terms. The top one has negative 1. The middle one, not the bottom, has negative 10. And the bottom has negative 3. That's positive 3. Add these up and I get negative 1, negative 10, 3. That should give me negative 11, 3. Negative 11 plus 3 is negative 8. Put that here at the end of my answer and I get 3x squared plus 14x minus 8 is this missing side.